The International Day of Women and Girls in Science. The International Day of Women and Girls in Science, celebrated annually on February 11th, aims to recognize the crucial role women and girls play in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, STEM. Established by the United Nations in 2015, this day highlights the need to break barriers and address the gender gap in these fields, ensuring equal opportunities for women and girls to thrive in scientific careers. Despite significant progress, women and girls remain underrepresented in STEM disciplines worldwide due to systemic challenges, cultural biases, and limited access to education and resources. This day serves as a call to action to promote gender equality, encourage young girls to pursue scientific studies, and celebrate the contributions of women scientists whose work has shaped our understanding of the world. By advocating for inclusivity in STEM, this observance seeks to inspire the next generation of female innovators and problem solvers. Events like workshops, seminars, and campaigns on this day create awareness, foster mentorship, and emphasize the importance of diversity in driving innovation and scientific advancement. The International Day of Women and Girls in Science reminds us that empowering women and girls in science is not just about fairness, it is essential for building a better, more sustainable future for everyone.